T-R. What does that mean?
Oh, my teacher taught trill. It's a trill.
No. T-R means try to make it sound like a dance. T-R, try to make it sound like a dance.
Okay.
Dee-da-dee-da-dee. Dee-da. Dee-da-da. Dee-da-da.